Hey guys, once again, got us a customer here. Gonna change the rear brake pads on her Hyundai Elantra. Alright guys, I went ahead, got Jack's stands on there. I'm gonna go ahead, I already started loosening these. Ooh, that one's on there nice and tight. Just start loosening these suckers out and get this wheel out of the way. And we'll see if we need to change also the rotors, which I already looked at them from the inside underneath, and they don't look too bad. Look all right. There we go. Okay, got these out. Take the wheel off. Okay. Well, looks like the rotors are good. Yeah. All right, that looks. Yeah, that rotor looks all right. So, I got a little wear in the brakes. Can't tell from the sunlight, but once I take them out, we'll see how they look. Okay. Let's see. Oh, wrong size. Okay. Still wrong size. There we go. Loosen this. Okay. For those of you that ask, so I'm doing these Hyundais. These things are really small. So went ahead and got a 14mm socket, and to hold the back end of it over here at 17 inch right here. Now for the bottom, just gonna go ahead and try to loosen her up a little bit. There we go. All right, slide this sucker off, and slide it off. And luckily, these things aren't heavy, so you really don't have to, not supposed to pull a lot of strain, a lot of weight on it on the brake line. But it's just so we don't get caught up in a pickle here. So it's a temporary hold for now. So let's go ahead and see if we can get these brake pads out. Now normally they should just slide off. Alright. Well, this one still had a little bit of life in it, so still we're gonna go ahead and change them out. I'm gonna go ahead and take the caliper off. So let's get that going. It should be 16, I believe. Not 16 too big. No, it'd be the same size as the other ones. Ain't that convenient. All right, done it like tug of war. Oh, that wasn't so bad. loosen up the bottom. I'm gonna loosen up the top. I love breaking these out because they're pretty easy. Ta-da! Comes out nice and easy. Let's do the top part now. There we go. Got that out. So once you get those two out, it slides right on off. So yeah, went ahead, got them two suckers off, and like I said, all we're gonna do is just gonna clean these up with the wire brush. And can't record and do this at the same time, so get this going real quick. All right, got it nice and clean. Yep. Now we're gonna go ahead and let's see, trying to get over here with sunlight. I'm gonna apply some brake grease in here where we slide those metal pieces here. They're actually, these look pretty nice. These are black. First time I've seen them being black. They're normally chrome. I'm gonna go ahead and put those on there. Okay, so this is different here. This right here. Okay, you see where the openings are at? So the last time these brakes were changed, this one is flat. It didn't have that. It didn't. There's a couple of these brake pads when people buy them, like these new ones I got from O'Reilly's. They got this in here. We're gonna be lucky if when I put these back in there, that bottom part won't hit it. But if it does, all I gotta do is just turn it clockwise, so we can get an opening. So we can get an opening right here. Gotta land that sucker straight in there. So let's get it going. I'm gonna go ahead and untie this. Okay, so I figured it out. So in order to get that piston all the way in there like it is, you gotta turn that sucker all the way around clockwise. You gotta just keep turning and turning it with channel locks or whatever and get it down there nice and low. And then after that, what I did is I kind of looked at it from a distance, try to center that nice right there. Let's see, gotta slide right in there. So if we look at the back of the pad here real quick, let me see if I can get a good camera angle. You can see that right there, that middle dot on that brake pad. So that groove has got to slide in there. It's got to slide right up in there. So pretty much just try to get it centered. There we go. I'm just gonna slide around here, and there it is. Oh yeah. All right, time to get her tightened up. Once we get this here all finished up, you're just let's see. Alright, pump the brakes and everything seems to be intact. Alright. Caliper, everything's on there nice and tight. Piston, shield's not in the way. Okay. There's the rear one. Now onto the front one.